Hi everyone, in this video I'm quickly show you how to set up segment in Notifyy. To create and manage audience groups, hover on the CRM menu and click on Segments. Click on Create Segment to build a new audience group. First, select the CRM object for which you want to create the segment. For example, you can choose contacts, companies, deals, tickets, or appointments. Now add filters to define which records should be included in the segment. Filters help you target the right contacts based on selected conditions. You can combine multiple filters using AND or OR logic to create more accurate audience segments. You can also add multiple filter groups to apply different conditions together. Up to 10 filter groups can be created while building a segment. Before saving, you can preview the segment to check how many records match the selected filters. After reviewing the preview, enter a segment name and choose the segment type. Save as an active segment to automatically add contacts on their birthday, ideal for daily automated birthday wishes. Save as a static segment to include only current matching contacts, ideal for one-time campaigns. After saving, open the segment to view the records included. The Overview tab shows segment size, percentage of database, and list of records. You can select one or multiple records to perform bulk actions. Bulk actions allow you to assign owner, update details, or delete selected records. Selected records can also be added to another existing static segment. Each filter change creates a new version. You can review segment history anytime. Active segments can be converted to static when you need a fixed snapshot. To convert a static segment into active, at least one filter must be present. The Activity tab shows logs such as segment creation, filter updates, and conversions. You can filter activity logs to view specific events. Go to Settings and open the Import Data module. Select Contacts as the object. Download the sample file, enter the required contact details, and upload the completed file. Then follow the import steps such as type, upload, map, and details to finish the setup. In the Details step, if you enable the option to automatically organize imported contacts into a segment, the system will create a static segment with all the imported records. With Notifyy CRM segments, you can organize CRM records using smart filters and target the right audience for campaigns.